English learner, today I'm going to introduce you to a sound that even advanced learners sometimes never meet. But once you do, it will improve your English instantly. And the best part, it's incredibly easy. Meet your new best friend, the schwa. It's that secret sound that makes your English natural, fluent, and helps you finally understand native speakers when they talk fast. In real life, we don't pronounce every word with the same weight. Important words get the stress. But grammar words such as articles, a, an, and the, prepositions, to, for, and of, and auxiliary words, have, can, and would, all shrink down into the schwa. The schwa is a lazy sound, like this, It's soft, quick, and weak. In the International Phonetic Alphabet, it looks like this. You'll hear it everywhere once you recognise it. And here's the thing. Once you can hear it, you'll understand native speakers so much more easily. This is a fluency hack. The article a often becomes a. For example, a cup of tea. A cup of tea. Did you hear that? The auxiliary word have often reduces to a. Would have becomes woulda, should have, shoulda, and could have becomes coulda. Example, you should have told me we could have gone becomes you should have told me we could have gone. Got it? Now don't think of this as bad English. The schwa is how native speakers really talk. And once you embrace it, your English will instantly sound smoother and more natural. And just as importantly, you'll finally catch what natives are saying when they speak quickly, because you'll be tuned into the rhythm. Now try this challenge with me. I'm gonna study. I'm gonna study. I should have started earlier. I should have started earlier. A cup of tea. A cup of tea. Can you hear the schwa? Now practice, record yourself and compare. And more importantly, like and subscribe and comment ebook if you want my free pronunciation guide. Fundamentals and Fluency Fast.